I can't. She's running away. Redo. Welcome to my apartment. Was that bad? Was that awkward? Hi guys. We're here and I'm gonna show you guys what my apartment looks like. So I hope you're ready. Did you just dab?
Yeah.
Hi guys, it's Ashley and today I'm gonna be showing you my entire apartment. We're doing a full apartment tour. I have to do the tour right now.
Why is that?
And the reason why is because I'm leaving.
To where?
I don't know. Guys, where am I leaving? That's
know.
for me to know and for you guys to guess in the comments. By the way, my brother Andrew is behind the camera today for Extra Dynamic. Would you like to? Wow, that is really backlit.
Drewski!
Like I said, this apartment is in upstate New York. A lot of you guys think it's in New York City. It's upstate. I'm trying to move out of upstate. I've lived here my whole life, so.
I don't see the issue. You can just stay here with me.
Oh, you do miss me?
Nope.
Okay. Anyway, so this is my little beautiful front door area. Do you guys like it? This apartment has navy blue doors.
You look really short.
Hey, why would you say that?
Because you are.
Well, the door is just really tall.
Yeah, it makes you look
So
very
this
small.
apartment has 12-foot ceilings. All the doors are navy blue. Walls are like white, and that's like the color scheme here, I guess, if you couldn't tell. Here I have some little masks and some hats hanging up. We have like a little dresser right here.
Ooh la la.
Ooh la la.
Then you have your sneaker collection.
I have some of my shoes. I have like a little bench, sit, tie your laces, do the whole thing. And yeah, I'll try to link as much of the furniture as I can for you guys if they're still available. But I guess I can just show the bathroom first.
Yeah, that's a weird one to start with, but
I know
guess
it's
we
really
can
weird,
start
but
with
it's like right here. So here's my bathroom. This is the toilet that I use on a daily basis.
Nice.
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 Here's my amazing mirror, funky mirror. It's pretty fancy. And I have lots of things right here on the countertop. Skincare, perfumes, soap.
Meow,
Here's
meow.
my shower.
Meow meow.
No, she always tries to she tries to drink the toilet water.
That's fine.
It's not fine.
Cats will be dogs and dogs will be cats.
Okay, well, here is my shower. I don't know if I like the shower curtain, but it's there. Here's my shower.
Awesome.
Awesome, really, really nice.
Towel, kitty
litter
stuff,
box, laundry hamper. Why don't you come out here and get a nice
Oh my
little
god,
view?
B-roll. Oh my god.
Yeah, B-roll.
Meh.
Okay, now, hey. We gotta do a big reveal of the couch.
Nah.
Guys, we're gonna do a big reveal of the couch, okay?
It's sort of in there right now. Hey, what is this one doing?
She's playing. Why does she do that? Here's my couch. Here's what the main area of my apartment looks like. I've been teasing you guys with what my couch looks like for the longest time. It's gray. It's this huge modular couch. The Bob's Discount Furniture Dream Couch. I got it 6 pieces. I think it's bigger than my freshman year dorm.
Really?
I really do think it is bigger.
It's quite big.
Got some pillows and whatnot from like Marshall's just to kind of spruce it up a bit, make it like not as gray, but it's literally just like this huge, large bed.
Jump
and
on
it's
it.
amazing if you're gonna like have a party, you're gonna have friends sleep over.
Let's see you on the couch.
On the couch. Let's show over here because this is where the kitty is at the moment. So she's playing with her toys. I keep all of her toys down there. She has like a little bin. She has a little, it looks like a baby toy basically. And then right here, I have these 2 rugs that are layered on each other. I thought it would look really cool if I had, oh my gosh, she's going crazy. I thought it would look really cool if I had like 2 layered rugs just because I had seen it done before, but like with a coffee table and some chairs on it, but I just didn't have time to get the coffee table or the chairs, so it's just an open rug at the moment. Here, I have my desk. This is a flexi spot standing desk, so it does go up and down. It's gigantic, it's like a dining room table. I have absolutely no cable management, so looking at this stresses me out to the absolute max. But you know what, I have my gamer girl setup. I have my pink gamer chair. I have my dual monitor setup. PC that Andrew built for me.
Wow.
Any cool specs in there? How much RAM?
Gigabytes
How much RAM we got?
Gigafarts per gigapoops.
Yeah.
Right now it's running 1 cat per meow.
Okay, so now I have this bookshelf. Have this bookshelf that I got from Urban Outfitters. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger. It's actually, well, I'm taller than it, so,
Yeah.
but it's
So
really
it's probably
cute.
like 5 foot.
So we have lots of different little items on it. Really cool. My friend Michaela gave me this head, records, some books I got from my friends, projector, Andrew's Chromebook, plant.
Ew.
Oh my god.
I'm so sorry, but
okay.
I have cat allergies.
This is my TV. I have like a little Roku TV. I think it's like 53 inches. In
from
case
Walmart.
you guys were wondering, it's from Walmart. This TV stand I got on Wayfair. So we made a sound bar out of crystals. So we have a literal selenite rod.
Yeah.
I don't know anything about crystals, but I have some. Then we have some books here, more books, little tofu guy, plants. I really like to have plants in here, so I have quite a few plants. I think this one's from Trader Joe's. And then over here, we have like a little kitty corner. I got this cat tower on Wayfair. I really like it because it's like light colored. It's a little bit more modern for a cat tower, if you ask me. Then we have cat bed. This is my old cat's bed.
It is?
It's Emily's bed, the one that passed away. Yeah, so that's kind of sad, but we put it through the wash, and now it is Kitty's bed. Then we have this guy, he's dying. Then over here, look at my table. I love this corner table. I got it on Facebook Marketplace for like $100. It's like fake concrete, basically. This is like plastic. Like if I go like this, it's like hollow, it's really light, but the top is glass. And then I have some coffee table books that my mom gave me. One of my mom's friends gave it to her in college, but really cool, super 90s looking. So I like that. And look, there's like a ball actually right there, but it's kind of covered. Then I have back here a sunset lamp. Should I leave it on? I guess I will, why not?
Sure.
It's a nice little orange lamp. And then over here, Crosley record player. I think it's broken. Look at this little guy. I love him. Fake telephone that was like a prop for something one time. And then this, my favorite object in the whole house. I got this little side table from Urban Outfitters, and it's just like kind of speckled. Oh my god.
Jesus.
Anyways, this is just kind of speckled. It's like, has a bit of a ceramic look. And then we have like a little palm tree here, and she loves to play in the plants. She like digs in the dirt of this plant all the time. And I made sure all the plants are cat safe, so it's okay. Here's my dining table. So this dining table I got from Amazon. It actually came damaged. Over here, there's like a couple little cracks. So I did end up getting the table for free. So that's cool, I guess. It just is damaged.
Let's move to your kitchen.
All right, guys, here's my kitchen. So I actually really like the dark wood. White countertops. We have these beautiful little olive green bar stools that I got from Wayfair. I really like these. They're like velvet. On the island, we have a sink, and then this is the rest of it. Yeah, so this is a toaster oven / air fryer. Oven, dish rack. I have like my spices in here. We have some plates in here, cups and whatnot.
My coffee.
Your coffee.
Hey, don't drink that.
And then we have the fridge. Yeah, so let's just show them. Like, let's just walk around the apartment. This is what it looks like. This is the main area with my couch. There's a bunch of columns here. And yeah, these are all closets. I don't want to open them. I guess I'll show you guys. It's kind of just like a junk closet. We have like bedding, vacuum, etc. Then we also have in this one, this is like my laundry closet. I really gotta do the laundry. So laundry, my beanbag chair. In here, this is just like
water heater, right?
Electrical stuff. Hey, look at this. I taped this right here. Yep.
How about your room?
How about my room? Okay, so now basically, so here's the main room right over there. And then to the side over here is another little other walkway. So this is a like walk-in closet. It's not like really a walk-in, but like it's basically a walk-in closet. It's a little bit messy because I'm obviously, like I said, in the process of moving. So we have a little bit of stuff in here, but
just a little bit.
we have like a couple boxes down here. We have some purses as well on the side. Anyways, okay, now into my room. Here's my bedroom. Basically, this is my bed. It's a king bed. I love it. It's the comfiest bed I've ever sat on. It's from Lull.
What about slept on though? You said sat on.
No, it's only comfortable for sitting and not sleeping.
Okay.
Blanket from Marshall's. Comforter I think I got probably on Amazon as well. And then I have another little closet. She's gonna jump in the closet for sure. Okay, so we have some of my shoes in here, some of my dresses, some sweaters up at the top, and then on this side,
probably have a
It's
cat.
a bit more sparse over here, but some
Yeah,
jackets.
you can see the cat.
I know she likes to sit right there. So this is my second closet.
And is that your second?
And this is also my second little
Thingy.
what is this called?
I don't know.
Side table. So I loved it so much in the white color that I decided to also get it in this like terracotta color. I just like
The shape.
the abstract shape. I'm going crazy for it. Then I have this little dresser here. It's like Queer Eye times Walmart. Like they did a collab. But it's basically just like a little metal locker. I really like the look of it. And it was also really cheap for a dresser. So in here I just have like basically just pants and shorts. And they all fit in there. Right here we have pretty tall full-length mirror, I would say. So let's both get in it. Yeah. And this one I got at Home Goods. I like it because the wood matches the floor a little bit, right?
Sorta,
I
kinda.
would say sorta, kinda.
Close enough.
Close enough.
You want to explain the second desk in your house?
I will. So we have another desk right over here. This one I don't really use as much, but I do really like it. So this is my corner desk. Look at this cute little chair. It's like a little coffee colored chair. So adorable. Then here is my little vanity. Just a regular vanity. I have like all of my jewelry right here. It's kind of messy, but there's all of my jewelry. Okay, then little cat tower that she basically just uses like as a, did you just see that? As a step to get here. This is where she sleeps every single night. So she's really cute. She goes to sleep every night at 12 o'clock and wakes up at 9. Just like a little human. And she sleeps in her bed, which is so weird. But then she crawls on me in the morning. She sleeps in the cardboard one. Not this one.
Yeah.
Of course she sleeps in the cardboard one. Yeah, and then I have my little Dune collection over here. So these are all the Dune books that I've read. And that's really like the whole place, I feel like. Yeah, is that like my entire apartment? Let's go back out to the main room and just take a look. There's not that much for me to show, guys, other than just like,
This is it,
ooh,
man.
here we go, here we are. So I've been living here for 5 months and I'm ready to dip. I love it here. I love how it looks here, but I think I need a change of pace.
Look at Broderick. Oh, Jesus. Oh, okay.
Oh wait, before we end the video, I want to say where my outfit's from.
I want to
Because I'm
thank the
gonna
sponsor of this video, Andrew Alexander. He has provided me with so much camera and cinematography aid.
Cinematography. Anyways, Andrew, let's do an outfit of the day in the mirror in my room.
I got coffee on mine.
That's fine.
And a lot of other stuff.
Okay.
Tea.
All right, guys, my top. This is from a brand called Let. All of my jewelry that I'm wearing is from a brand called Linger. Pants are the Motel Rocks parallel jeans. Then I'm wearing these little like squishy shoes. I think these are from Soothies. They're just like little pillow shoes. What about you, Andrew?
My turn. We got the Nick Holiday, the
ombre sweatshirt.
ombre sweatshirt. Then I got Hanes plain white tee underneath from Walmart. Gator skin belt. I don't know what these are, but cream colored khakis. Dickie socks from Walmart. Hair from my father.
Hair from your father.
Acne from my mother.
No, mom doesn't get acne.
And a little bit of rough shaving.
Hey, you should have told me there was a sticker on this trash can.
Hey, there's a sticker on that trash can.
Anyways, guys, I want to thank you all so much for tuning into my apartment tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it was interesting to finally like really see what my apartment looks like, because I feel like I've been kind of like hiding it from you guys. But I mean,
She doesn't love me anymore.
She ran away. I'm sorry.
Every other woman.
Like every other woman. Yo, somebody treat Andrew right. I'm just kidding. But I don't know how many more videos are gonna be in this apartment, but I'm piecing out soon. So
She's not piecing out. She's literally stuck here for another few weeks.
okay, like 2 weeks.
And then where you going? Can you give us some hints?
No.
Wow, you're just
Can you give me a
actual,
hint? Can you give me a hint?
She's going south.
I'm going south.
She's going south.
Okay, that actually is like, that's a pretty good hint. I'm going south. What coast though?
Texas.
Texas. I'm moving to Texas. No, I'm not. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to double tap the like button, double tap the subscribe button, and of course, make sure to click confirm when I ask you to unsubscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.
Nobody actually does that though.
Yeah, nobody actually unsubscribes though.
They always subscribe. They always forget to.
They always forget to unsubscribe. And don't
Alright,
forget to hit that bell.
thanks for watching.
Alright, bye guys. Have a good day. Peace.
Have a good one, guys. Amen. God bless. Have a wonderful night.